What's up YouTube, it's Cralisa Victoria back with another video. I'm starting this video off doing some dishes. I've already begun to fill up my sink. So I'm going to just be doing some dishes. I already have some dishes over here that have to be put away. So while this is filling up, I'm going to start putting away those dishes. I'm just going to interrupt right here and basically say that I'm going to actually be using my pan and my spatula before I wash the dishes all the way, because I am going to end up making a veggie burger just because I'm on my cycle and I've been really hungry. The cycle can take a lot out of you. A lot of times I'm not really hungry. Like today I don't think I've been extremely hungry, but right now like I'm hungry. Like I feel weak. So I'm actually gonna interrupt and start making my veggie burger. Okay, you guys, so at this point my camera died. I'm trying to hook it up and record while all of these items are charging. Hopefully you guys can see me. If not, I apologize, but I went ahead and I made my veggie burger. Gotta stay hydrated during this time. It's crucial for me to stay hydrated. So I went ahead, made the veggie burger. This is my veggie burger. I'm gonna wait to eat it after I wash my dishes, but I am gonna eat it right after I wash the dishes and before I sweep them up. All of that stuff that you just saw, I have to take that all out to the trash tomorrow. Anyway, I'm gonna wash my dishes. Typically, when I cook, I eat smelly foods. I've already cleaned the area over here where I cooked, but I'm gonna burn a candle now. I dropped this this candle broke, but it still has a wick, so I still light it. If I can get the wick. Yeah, I still like this because it's still a good candle. It's just broken. I just be really careful with the broken piece until it's gone, and then I'll get rid of it. It smells so good, and I haven't been able to find the same candle again, so I'm just gonna burn this. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the dishes. All I have left after the dishes is really to sweep and mop. Clearing out the refrigerator and the freezer will get done tomorrow. I'm not gonna sit anything out that goes out for the trash because one, you don't want bugs in your house. Two, it becomes smelly and it's really annoying. So in the morning or before I leave the house, a lot of times I like to take out all of my trash. If I have like any smelly trash or anything that has to go like immediately, that's what I like to do. So I'm gonna get back to the dishes and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I am going to end the vlog or the kitchen clean with me right here. I'm going to show you guys what the kitchen is looking like. I got so many glass items in my house. Like, I don't know why, because it gives me anxiety when I drop it or break it. Anyway, this is what the kitchen looks like. You guys can kind of see. Kitchen has been completely done. Still have my soapy sink in case I find I need to wash something down. All of these, I'm not going to set those out on a rack or on a towel to dry. I'm actually going to leave them in a clean sink. I cleaned out the sink. I'm going to leave them in the sink to dry overnight. Then in the morning, I'm going to put them up. I know people are thinking, you have a dishwasher, why don't you use it? Newsflash, FYI, I've never used dishwashers in the places that I've stayed. Like, I never use dishwashers. I just wash my dishes. So then we come over here. I temporarily moved this stuff over here because they were once somewhere else. So I know the video kind of cut off a little bit quickly when I was cleaning the kitchen, so I just wanted to end the vlog, tell you guys thank you so much for watching my vlog. I have taken a shower. I am about to look at some emails. My brows look really good. She did such a great job. But I'm about to look at some emails right now before I go to bed. But I've cleaned my bathroom successfully. I have hung up my new decor in my bathroom. I've cleaned my kitchen successfully. Swept them up both. I have done some laundry tonight. I have some laundry prep for tomorrow. Maybe I will do a laundry day with me. I don't know yet. But tomorrow, my goal is to get my living area cleaned up. And then I will, subsequently clean up the rest of whatever else has to be cleaned in my house. But yeah, thank you guys so much for rocking with me, for tuning in. I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. And until next time, I'll see all of you.
It's only 11 something, but why does it feel like it's 2 something?